Hey, how you guys doing? This is Rich. Here we have a Rich TV Live with my very, very, very special guest. It's Super Mario. How you doing today, Mario?
How you doing, Rich? I'm doing good. It's a beautiful Saturday, and I'm ready to, to get some more people to our team.
Well, we've been really focused on day trading in the academy, and we've been learning lots of new strategies. So I thought we would go live and we would just talk about some strategies. Congratulations on all your success and your promotion to Platinum 150. And I know you're like 3 members away now from Platinum 600. So let's get Mario over that line. And don't you have a bonus?
I do have a bonus right now. It's $100 off if you join my team, and that's for the next 2 days. So if you're on the on the borderline of joining or not, I would say this is the perfect time to join.
Yeah, 2 days for you guys to take advantage of this bonus. We've had about 30 new members join our team this week. Explosion of growth. We have now over 103 members in the back office. We had a new Platinum 150 today. Shout out to Troy. We had a new Platinum 150 yesterday. Shout out to Vise. Like you getting promoted. Like everyone's getting promoted. Like what's going on? Everyone's getting promoted. We had Jason get promoted to Platinum 150 as well. So it's like we've literally had 3 promotions to Platinum 150 in the last 3 days. What the heck's going on, man? We must be doing something right. And there's got to be some trading strategies that we are implementing that's creating results, right? What have you learned as a trader? Like you said, you've been in this business for now about 4 or 5 months. So if a day trader wanted to say, okay, I want to join this trading academy and learn what type of day trading strategies would you say would be good strategies for someone that would be interested in learning more about the trading academy?
I'm gonna say the number one is teamwork. Like everyone, I'm sure is trading by themselves, right? But how boring it is to trade by yourself. Like, wouldn't you want to be trading with a team that knows what they're doing, that you're learning from? Because everyone, if you work as a team, right? If you're trading together as a team, you have more eyes, you have more knowledge, you have more brains together. So to me, it's like that's the number one thing right now because in my team, like we've been trading, we've been getting up real early, and we've been trading together. And it's not just me; it's me and other group leaders. And it's awesome because we're seeing more pairs than we can by ourselves. I just had a new member who just joined literally like 4 days ago, and he was trading with us live. I invited him to trade with us live. He's been trading with us for like 4 days, and on the first day, he made enough to pay his subscription for the month on one trade.
Wow, I love it.
And he was like, no, Mario, I'm so glad I joined your team. Like I never thought it was gonna be this good because we train together. Like as a team, we're training together. Like, that's what you want. You want unity. So that means if we're training together, we're going up together, and that's what we want to be at the top together. Because I don't want to be at the top alone. I seriously don't. That's boring. I want to be there with my team.
I love it. I love it. Where are you? You're in San Diego. You're like the nicest place on earth.
We're in San Diego, and I'm gonna tell you right now, we need more Americans in this company. We need more Americans by my side. I love Canada, but we need more Americans. We need some USA members,
We
some
got a lot of
California
Canadians
members.
guys on our team, and Mario's in America, in San Diego, saying, hey, if you're in America and you want to join this academy, join my team. So I'm telling you guys, if you guys are in America and you want to join Mario's team, this is the man right now that right now the company's got a $50 bonus for today and tomorrow. He will match that $50, give you $100 back to join this academy. So it's going to be like a lot cheaper for your first month to learn it. And if you like it, you just continue on. If not, it's like a gym membership. You don't have to continue month to month. It's a trading academy. You're going to get in you're going to get out of this what you put into this. Would you agree?
Yeah, of course. And to everyone out there that that's probably trading right now, a lot of you are probably trading stocks. But what about if you could trade both markets? Like wouldn't you want to double dip on that? Like make double the money? And we have Rich as our leader, as our group leader. So that's even better. He's giving picks out to everyone. So you're winning on stocks and then you're winning at forex. Like that is just amazing right there.
Yeah, it's so crazy. We have members here right now that are joining, and it's a Saturday, And thank you guys for joining. I appreciate you guys. All I want for everyone within this academy is to create financial freedom. The reason why I wanted to have an academy is because, to be honest, I lost money in the cannabis stocks, and a lot of people did, and it didn't feel nice. So I wanted to go back to the drawing board and learn new strategies to make sure that that would never happen again. So I joined the Trading Academy in November, and once I started learning about the entire world of markets, I'll be honest with you, it was like an eye-opener for me. It was like, you don't know what you don't know. And I did not know what Forex was. I didn't. I had heard of it, but honestly, I did not know. I knew the Canadian dollar went up and down, and the US dollar was stronger than the Canadian dollar. And I knew that if I go to the US, my Canadian dollar is worth less, right? And the American dollar in Canada is worth more. And I knew that, but I'd never understood that you could actually trade that and make like ridiculous money. Like ridiculous money. With a little bit of money, you can make ridiculous money. We have 2 members of our team. We actually have 3 members. Adrian was the first. And shout out to Adrian, man, if you're watching, man. That was the first guy to join that turned $3,000 into $30,000. Then we had a guy named Peter, the Pip Eater, that joined the team. And he just, I can't even talk about where he's at. But this man just rewrote the record book for like the whole company. Like he's just rewriting the record book. So we just like in awe. We're like with our mouths drops. Our mouths are dropping like, what is he doing every day? And that is amazing for the team. It's like having Michael Jordan on your team. Would you agree?
Yeah, of course.
It's like having Michael Jordan on your team, right? It's like everyone wants to learn from Peter. Duh. I think everybody in the NBA wanted Michael Jordan on their team too, right? But only one team could have Jordan, right?
And we got lucky. Our team got lucky.
And that's the Chicago Bulls, right? And they won 6 championships. So yeah, we're super, super lucky to have Peter. And we're super lucky to have someone like Amanda, who's another crazy trader, who turned $500 into over 61,000 US. And that's like having like, I don't know what to compare her to because she's just like a superstar trader herself to turn $500 into 61,000 US in 7 weeks. And she just started pulling money out. And she was showing her wad. She was pulling money out, showing her wad. She's just playing with her money like it's just like play money for her. Because she'll just make that every day. It's pretty nice, right?
Guys, this is our team, guys. This is our team doing this. And we trade every day with our team. And then you also have the academy mentors. Mentors that are millionaires, that are making thousands every day, that are trading live. So you're basically just trading all day. We're training all day. There's so much training. There's so much trading. It's crazy how much knowledge you receive in a day. Our team is just unbelievable. You know, from Amanda, from Peter, from Andre, and from Shelby, from Ross. Like, it's just, our team is just getting bigger every day, and I love it.
I love watching you develop and evolve, bro, because you're like a different person. I'm like watching you talk. I'm like, who the hell is this guy? I'm like, what's going on right now? Like, I don't know. There's some crazy stuff going on, guys. I can't explain it, but we've had an explosion of growth. Like, would you agree? Like, am I joking? Am I making this up, or is this real?
You're not joking. If you join this academy, like me, I've been putting like sweats. Like, I've been like working hard, getting up early in the morning at 4 a.m., starting to trade at 4 a.m., trying my strategies. I've been staying up late, so like maybe 3 a.m. trading with our mentors, Twan, Amanda, Rich, and we're putting, hard work into this because this is what we want. And if we want to succeed, then we want our team to succeed. So I want my team to look at me, and I look at Rich. I look at Rich putting so much work. And I'm like, man, I need to do that as a team leader because I'm learning from him. So if my team leader is doing this, then I need to put the same work. And I want all my team members to do the same thing. I want them to put the hard work that I'm putting in because I don't want nobody that's lazy. So if you're lazy and you go into the market, then I feel sorry for you because then you're losing. you're losing so much knowledge. You're losing money that you could be making at that moment.
So let's
So
talk
you put
about
your hard work.
let's
Look at Amanda. Look at Amanda. Look at Peter. Look at Shelby, who just made T600. Like these guys are working so hard.
Yeah, man. Our team works hard. Like we're not. So people are like, oh, you know, they want to get in and they want to see what we're doing, and everyone wants to see what we're doing. I'm like, listen, I have no problem people learning from our team. Like we're not secretive.
Mm.
People feel like we're secretive and oh, I want to learn from Peter. I want to learn from Amanda. I'm like, Peter has 20 of his own guys. Do you know what it's like to train 20 of your own guys? He has his own family. He doesn't have
Not
time to
easy.
train guys outside of his 20 guys. I'm sorry. He's got to take care of 20 guys and help them learn how to make money first. People need to understand that. People need to stop being so selfish. Peter's got to take care of himself and his team first. You know, people always ask, I want to learn to train with Peter. I'm like, yeah, so do I.
Yeah.
I haven't learned how to trade with Peter. It's true though. People are like, I want to learn how to trade with Peter. I'm like, so do I. Wait in line. Richard's, you know what Peter would say to me? You know the way Peter is. You know what Peter would
Yeah.
say to me? Peter would let me trade with him. He would show me, like obviously, if I asked him. But he knows I'm never going to ask him. Do you want to know why? Why do you think? You're a smart guy. Why would I never ask Peter?
Why would you never ask Peter?
Why would I never ask Peter to trade with Peter? What do you think my focus is? What is my focus? Is my focus learning how Peter trades?
No, your focus right now is us, your team.
So if my new guys are learning from Peter, that's what I want. Do you understand? I want the new guys that are sitting at home wondering if they can join this academy to say, yeah, you're going to be able to trade with Peter. Not Rich.
Yeah.
Rich is not wasting that extra spot. It's for the new guy. It's the new guy that's going to learn from Peter. It's the new guy that's going to learn from Mario. It's the new guy that's going to learn from Amanda. It's the new guy that's going to learn from Shelby. It's the new guy that's going to learn from Ross. It's the new guys that's going to learn from Tavis. It's the new guy that's going to learn from Jay. It's the new guy that's going to learn from Troy. It's the new guy that's going to learn from all of the new people within our business, all of the top people within our business, all the people that are getting promoted within our organization that's growing like an avalanche. I'm going to tell you guys about our growth, okay? And we're going to talk about trading strategies. Price trap, right? Utilizing tools like the Fibonacci retracement, utilizing the Elliott waves, trend lines, patterns, learning all the whole world markets. We talk about this every single day in the Trading Academy. I teach you about candlesticks. We give you the candlesticks Bible. We teach you about candlesticks. We teach you about trend lines. We teach you about the MACD. We teach you about the RSI. This is what we do every single day. So if you're in an environment where you're working and trading with snipers and traders that are winning every single day at a very high level, and winning and winning and winning and winning and winning every single day at a very high level, and you enter into that group, and you trade at a high level and you set good goals and you attack your goals, you have the ability to make unlimited money. You have the ability to build a big business because you're in an atmosphere where all you see is abundance, right? And Amanda goes live and calls her trades live. I go live, I call my trades live. Antoine goes live, he calls his trades live. You have access to all of this within our business. But if you're in America and you want to join a team and you want to learn how to trade and you want to learn about day trading strategies, we have 150 mentors that you can learn for. And we got a mentor right here, young man right here, that's in San Diego and is ready to train you. He's ready to teach you. We want to build a wave of people in America that are part of our team because we believe that within this academy that our team has something special. We think that we're going to be some of the best traders in the academy. That's our goal. And I believe we already have some of the best traders in the academy on our team. I honestly have that confidence that we could go head to head in a competition with anybody in the academy with some of the traders that we have in our team. That's how confident I am in our trading. That's how confident I am in the strategies that we've learned and we've developed already in 7 months in this academy. And even watching you, grow within this business, speak, and just seeing you evolve, you're like a different person. And I remember saying to you, You're going to become a different person. You're going to evolve. And, you know, my best advice to you is that you need to start acting as if, like you are right now. Always act as if. And everyone that's watching, everywhere, all over the world, act as if. If you want to be a millionaire, act like a millionaire. If you want to be a CEO, act like a CEO. If you want to be an NHL player, act like an NHL player. If you want to be a great trader, act like a great trader. Act as if, right? So if you want to lead from the front, then lead from the front. So what do we do every day? Every single day, we grind. What did you say? You get up early, you trade. And you're trading with who? You're trading with Peter?
I'm trading with right now with Ross. He's our other group leader.
So what are you guys trading? What are you doing and what are you trading? Are you trading Forex?
Yes, we're trading Forex. We're doing trades on different pairs. GPUSD is one of them. We are looking at other pairs like EURUSD, JPY, and so many others. And you know, right now we're doing good at it, and we're still getting better. And we have our team trading with us too. I had my new member trade with me for 4 days, like I said, and he was making money off the trades. And you know, we love it, and we want to win together. So if you're out there right now thinking about joining, you should join and then just come and trade. But first, before you even trade live with us, I want you to do some training on the academy, because I want you to learn from the basics to the advanced. I want you to learn what a pip is, what support and resistance is, what a stop loss, how important a stop loss is, so you won't blow your account. Because there's so many new traders that blow their accounts because they don't know what a stop loss is. The market will humble you, and I want you to learn that you don't want the market to take your money. You want to take the market's money. Look at Amanda. Look at Peter. Look at all these guys that are in our team. They're taking the market's money. The mentors are taking the market's money, and I want you to learn how to take the market's money. And you're doubling it because you're getting stocks. You're getting stocks that nobody does right there and then. So if you're out there, I'm telling you, man, this is gonna be the best decision that you probably make. But you need to put some hard work into it. You can't be lazy. If you're lazy, then you're not gonna succeed. You have to put really, really hard work into it.
We got Peter. Peter's in the group chat, and he's saying that you're going to be mastering his trading style very soon.
I want to be mini Peter because I'm shorter than him.
That's awesome. Peter's saying that there's a huge week coming.
Yeah.
Peter has some crazy trades. Peter has some crazy trades waiting.
I check Peter, and I check Peter a lot, and I tell him, like, you know, I'm learning. I'm learning what he was teaching me, because me and him filmed a couple of times, and he was teaching me the strategy, and I'm learning it.
That's crazy.
And I want to be like him, you know. I want to be like a mini Peter.
We all do.
And then there's gonna be more Peter. There's gonna be more Peters out there.
No, I know, and that's what I'm saying. Is like, if there's a new guy, I'm not gonna say to Peter, can you teach me? Can you train me? Peter's gonna say, but Rich, you're a Platinum 2000. Don't you think you're doing okay, Rich? That's the way Peter thinks. Peter wants to take care of the small guy. Peter wants to take care of the new guy. Peter wants to take care of people from the oil fields that lost their businesses, lost their jobs, and help them rehabilitate their financial situation. And that is a really amazing leader. And he's willing to help people within our team, whether it's on Peter's team or the Rich TV Live family. And there's 100 of us. So he's got to work with these 100 people first before he teaches the whole company. I got people calling me, Rich, he has to be a mentor. I'm like, Peter just needs to teach his own guys right now. He's too new in the business. He doesn't need to be a mentor yet. He's only in the company 3 months. So I think everyone needs to slow the brakes on wanting us all to do all these things. And let's just focus on teaching our own guys how to make lots of money, how to trade, and really teach people that aren't in the business how to get into this business and give themselves an opportunity to take advantage of a life-changing trading wave. This is a company, guys, that's about to be $1 billion company. This is a company that's about to be a unicorn. It has grown from 100,000 members to 200,000 members. That's the reason why I'm a part of this academy. We could have our own academy. I wanted to be in an academy that was already big, that had a global presence, that had an ability to actually have a structure where we could build something, and we've done it. So
Yeah.
I'm not a guy that bites the hand that feeds me and starts thinking that I'm bigger than the academy just because right now we've had success. I want to get much higher in this academy. You know, there's people like Alex Morin making $1 million a month in this academy. There's guys like Jason Brown and Matt Rosa together, partners, making $750,000 a month in this academy. There's people like Bryce Thompson in America. These guys are all in America. Bryce Thompson in America making $500,000 a month in this academy in 3 years. There's people like Kimberly Torres, been in this academy last year making, as a trader, $6 million last year as a trader. So there are people in this academy already having huge, massive success, right? Some of them are building the business, some of them are trading. But why is the business so successful? Because everybody's at home in the whole freaking world, and now we can make money from our phone. So people flossing, everybody flossing their cars, but we know the truth, you're not making money. So if you want to make money, you can now join, you can save $100 if you join with Mario today and tomorrow. The bonus is off as of today and tomorrow, guys. That's it. So I'm going to give you my email address. I'll drop it here. Email
Guys, leave the video games alone. Leave the little Instagram alone and start killing the market.
Here, man, I'm telling you guys, put the phone down. Put the phone down in the TikTok and the Instagram. And instead of, searching stuff, start making money on your phone, guys. I can't even tell you the type of money that Peter's making on his phone. I was telling my son and my daughter's saying Peter the Pip Eater. Even my kids are saying Peter the Pip Eater. They're catching on. They're hearing it, The kids love it. And I was talking to my kids. I was like, you guys know how much money you can make on this phone? My kids are like, we know how to use a phone pretty good, Dad. I'm like, I know. I was talking to my kids today. Almost 12 and 13, right? And I was like, you guys have phones. Like, I think pretty soon I'm going to have to start teaching you guys how to trade. Just pressing buttons and making money on the phone, man. I'm telling you, it's crazy. The future's bright.
I'm waiting for my daughter to come forward so I can teach her.
Everybody has a phone, man. That's what I say. Everybody has a phone. Who doesn't have a phone? Who doesn't have a phone? Everybody has a phone. And the whole world is at home. And even the people that are going to work don't know how long they'll be going to work. What happens if there's a second wave? What happens if there's another pandemic?
The USA is going through a lot of second waves. And I know a lot of USA Americans, they're at home right now. They're teleworking. So what are you doing since quarantine started? What have you done for yourself since quarantine started? What have you learned? Since the quarantine started, this has been what I've been doing. Putting hard work into the market, learning the market. And I'm going to continue doing this even after the quarantine is over. But I don't want to be doing an 8 to 4 job anymore. I'm ready to become a full-time trader and leave that job so I could be financial free. Like, I want to trade and not worry about going to a job. I want to just stay home and trade, even if it's for a couple hours. Like Peter doesn't trade all day.
That's all it
Trading
takes.
a couple hours. Amanda trades a couple of hours.
That's it.
Torrance trades a couple hours. That's how I want to be.
Yeah. No, Peter has it down. Like he trades like 3 hours a day.
Yeah, that's all you need.
Yeah, 3 hours a day, and the numbers he's pulling are just mind-boggling. Did you see those lazy trades he dropped on Friday?
Oh man, if you see those trades, people, oh my goodness, you'll be like, oh my god, let me join right now.
Let's just say that there's some crazy trading going on, and there's some people that are creating some ridiculous results, even within our team. And then there's people within the company, 150 mentors that are going to teach you different trading strategies. People like Christopher Derrick, who's a chairman 50 making $50,000 a month. He's going to teach you the price trap. He taught Antoine the price trap, and we learned the price trap from Antoine, and Amanda learned the price trap from Antoine. Now Amanda went and made like over 100 times her money. I think she's over 120 times her money now. I had to force her to pull money out. She didn't want to. I'm like, you have to pull money out. She's like, no. I'm like, you have to. right? And then when she pulled money out, she was so happy. And I'm like, see, she's like, you're always right. I didn't want you to be right, but you were right. And I'm like, well, that's why I wanted you to pull the money out, because you put $500 in, you turn it to 61 grand. You got to pull it out. You have to pull it out. That's your gift. It's your money. Take it. Like, take it. So that's what I want people to do. I want you guys to have abundance. Don't keep it at the broker. Pay yourself. Pay your bills. Pay your debts. Pay off your mortgage. Buy yourself a car. That's why we do this. So then that gives you that motivation. Every time you go in that car, you're like, okay, you know what? This trading just bought me this car. So you appreciate it more. So now you're ready to go and trade. You got to have good strategies. You have to have a plan, and you have to stick to it. You don't deviate from your plan. You stick to your plan. You know, earlier this week I was live, and I took the GBP Chef, GBP JPY, and GBP USD for a sell. And one of my guys, really close friend, one of my best friends, Jared, he took them for a buy. And we were talking about it. We were live, and we're kind of debating it. And he was saying, why? Were you there? He was saying why. Were you there? He was saying why he thought it was going to go up. And I told him it will temporarily, but I still think it's going to go down. And I told him all the reasons why. And he was, no, it's going up. He was like, it's going up, it's going up, it's going up, it's going up. Rich, I think it's going up. You're wrong, Rich. Even after I was live, he's messaged me and him are arguing. He's like, it's going up, it's going up, it's going up. I said, bro, close your trade. He's like, Rich, it's going to go all the way back up. I go, how do you know? He's like, I feel like, I'm like, how do you know? What guarantee do you have that it's going up, other than the fact that it's been going down and it's just doing a retrace? So it's most likely going down, because I've been watching this every day for months. You're going to tell me you know more than me where this is going to go? I don't think so. So let's see where it goes. It's either going to go up or down. So it's 50-50. So I said, you're up on your trade. I think it's a retrace. You should sell. So he listened to me. He's like, okay, Rich, I'm going to listen to you, but if it goes up, you're going to be wrong. And I'm like, I just want you to sell, because I really think it's going to go down, bro. And I don't want you to lose this trade and get slaughtered. Okay? Because he just, joined, and I want him to have a good trade, and I want him to feel good. So he's like, okay, Rich, it went up even more. He messaged me. He's like, Rich, I'm up $320. I'm like, okay, sell. He listened. He's like, okay, he sold. What happened? The next morning, the market didn't move, right? It's just trading in the trap, right? The next morning I wake up, it went down 150 pips. So all three trades, bang, bang, bang. I was 3 for 3. All three trades went down 150 pips. I was 100% correct. I called him up in the morning. I'm like, bro, did you see what happened? He was like, oh, yeah. He goes, but I sold it. You're right. I go, but we were arguing, remember? He goes, no, you're right. I go, but bro, you were so positive it was going to go up. Remember? He goes, no, but you talked me out of it. I'm like, okay, well, that's what we do at the academy. I'm your coach, right? You got to listen to your coach. I want you to make money. I do not want you to get slaughtered, right? The trend is down. If the trend is down, how can you just expect it to turn around because you think it's going to turn around? Just because on the 1 and 5 minute candles, it was going up, but that's a short time frame. On the 30 minute and on the 1 hour, it was down. And on the daily, it was down. And the trend was down. So you're going to tell me, a trend trader that's been watching this for months, that you know better than me? I'm telling you that I've been watching this for months, and I haven't been able to just predict when it's going to turn around. The market predicts when it's going to turn around. I don't predict. The market does. But if the market's telling me it's going down, then it's going down. And if the market's telling me it's going up, then it's going up. That's Forex. That's why I really like Forex, and I find it to be very different than a lot of other assets that you trade, like stocks, because stocks can go up or down sometimes without any explanation, But typically with Forex, with trillions of dollars that's running through the market up and down through these currency pairs, US dollar versus Canadian dollar, Great Britain pound versus the US dollar, Great Britain pound versus the Chef, which is the Swiss franc, Great Britain pound versus the JPY, which is the yen. These are currency pairs, which is a tug of war between two different currencies, which is really like one country's economy versus another country's economy. So the one thing that Peter really knows, really I think better than anyone on our team for sure, is the news.
Yeah.
He understands the news. He understands how the news is going to affect the GBP USD. So he knows where it's going to go before it goes. When I called that short trade, not only did I see that it was going to go down, Peter said that he thought it was going to go down.
The confirmation.
And I remembered him saying that before I went live. So I was like, okay, let me see if I think it's going to go down. And everything looked like it was going to go down too. And I was like, okay, Peter's saying it's going to go down. I think it's going to go down. My buddy thinks it's going to go up. Let's see who's right. Short term, he was right. And I even said while we were live, short term, you might be right. But long term, it's going to go down, bro. I kept saying, it's going down. You know, like, look at this. I was showing, I'm like, look, it's like falling off a cliff. And then you're catching a little bump. That's not a trend. That's a retrace. You know? So, like, this is what we teach you is, yeah, if you're a short-term trader in the 1 and 5 minute, it might be going up. But in the last hour, it's going down. So the trend is down. Follow the trend. The trend is your friend. If you do that, you will have a lot of success in Forex. You'll even have a lot of success in stocks. You have a lot of success in gold. You have a lot of success in oil. You have a lot of success in Bitcoin. If you follow the trend is your friend. That's why I love the price trap, because a price trap is identifying momentum and trying to have a strategy that's going to be able to ride momentum up and ride momentum down. I personally love the price trap. What is your favorite trading strategy?
That's right there. That's my
Price
favorite.
trap. Okay.
But the trap strategy, like my team member, one of the new ones, he made money off the GPUSD once Peter confirmed it with the news. And he told me, he texted me, he's like, hey, I'm going to take it for a sell because Peter just posted that he says it's going to go down. And he's like, that's double confirmation for me, so I'm doing it. He woke up the next day, and let's just say it was a big number.
Yeah.
And the trap, he never knew about the trap strategy. And he went on with you at 2 p.m. because we do that every day as a team. And he learned about the trap strategy, and he was like, man, I love this strategy. Like, it's easy.
Yes.
He's like, I just made this money. And I'm like, bro, I'm telling you, you're going to learn so much here. New stuff that you never even learned when you was by yourself.
Peter put out a message, says, tell everyone who's not convinced about joining, tell them to email you and show the 3K account results in 1 week. Okay, guys, if you guys want access to see what Peter did in 1 week, Peter did a little bit of a test to see how big he could build his account from $3,000 in 1 week. And let's just say it was over it was over like 11,000% or something. Let's just say it was over 6 figures, and it was over like hundreds of thousands of dollars. Let's just put it was ridiculous what he did. And we were like, what the hell? And he's doing it right in front of us.
There's no reaction. And I love it. I love what he's doing.
Peter says GBP USD on the way down unless the UK has anything good coming economically. So Peter now is predicting, guys, already for tomorrow that the GBP USD will continue to go down. See, this is what I love about this team. Peter is helping people and they don't even realize it. You know, people are like, oh, when can I learn from Peter? I'm like, Peter's giving us the trade right now. He just gave us the trade. He just told us. He's telling us to take the GBP USD down, guys. There it is. He's helping you. Oh, I want to learn from him. That's learning from him. He just told you what's going to happen. What else do you want? That's the trade. Sell GBP USD. There it is. There's your free trade, guys. That's your free trade idea. Sell the GBP USD, which is the exact same trade that I called, right? And I saw confirmation of it. And then when I saw Peter saying it's most likely going to keep going down, and I saw that the trend, it looked like it was falling off a cliff, I'm like, this looks like it's going to keep coming down because what's going to push it back up? It's falling down. What's going to push it back up? It's money, right? Trillions of dollars going down. Imagine that. They're not going up. It's going down. So the other money is not on the downside. The money's not on the buy side. It's on the downside. So imagine trillions of dollars of bets from institutions on the downside. It's going to push it down. It's going to keep pushing it down until they decide, okay, time to buy it back, boys and girls, and then they buy it back. It's the same people doing the buying and selling. We are just riding the momentum up and down. Before the GBP USD came down, it was going up. It screamed up. And now it's screaming down. And guess what? Eventually it's going to hit a floor. And this is what I was telling Jared. We don't know where the floor is. The last floor was 120. So right now, I was telling Jared it was at 124. And I'm like, how do you know it's not going to go to 120? It was at 120 before. Oh, June 1st, it was at this price. I'm like, I don't care about June 1st. What does that mean? The market doesn't care about June 1st. They care about what's the lowest point it was at recently. And the lowest point it was at recently on the map on the 1 month was 120, 121. So I was seeing that and I was like, there's still a long way to go. There's 400 pips down here that I think it could go. How can you predict when it's going to turn around? You can't do that. The market predicts that. That's what I'm trying to make sure people understand. You'll become a better trader when you stop predicting the market and you start watching the market. And if you see the market's going up, you take it up. And if you see the market's going down, you take it down. And that's the price trap. What do you think the Fibonacci's are? It's a price trap. The Fibonacci retracement is a price trap. That's all it is. And it's support and resistance. It's support and resistance lines. It's support and resistance lines. That's all the Fibonacci is. And if you guys want to learn how to use the Fibonacci, join the academy. We teach you how to use the Fibonacci. Right? Hey, man, thank you guys for being here, man. We appreciate you guys. Thank you guys for joining. I love it when the team members are here, man. I love it when the team members are here. And even people that are not part of the team, I love it when you guys are here. If you guys have any questions, please ask us. The title of today's show is Day Trading for Beginners. Mario here is got a bonus. The company is doing a $50 bonus for anyone who joins. The company, Nafis, who's our chairman, is going to send you $50 US. And if you join between today and tomorrow, Mario has a bonus where he's going to give you an additional $50. So there's $100 off to join Mario today. And if you want to join him, I'll give you guys my email address. Message me. I'll forward it to Mario. And he can send you all the information, instructions, so you can get started right away. Peter says, follow the current events and you will understand the trends. I agree 100%. I mean, that's what it is. Peter knows the news. So instead of being lazy and saying, I want to learn from Peter, learn the news. Master the news, right? I want all our new guys to learn from Peter. You know, I want some of our leaders to learn from Peter. I would love Amanda to learn from Peter. You know, it's like I want all the top leaders to learn from Peter. I'm not worried about myself. You know, I'm excited about the 100 members we have learning from Peter and Amanda, learning from yourself, learning from Shelby, learning from me. That's what I'm focused on. I'm not worried about me learning a strategy from anybody because I don't feel like we have to go outside of where we are right now to get any better because I feel like we've already figured it out. I feel like all we need to do now is just sharpen our sword, and just make more money and just keep making more money and keep making more money and keep making more money and eventually be able to grow our lot sizes the way Peter does, which is extremely, extremely lucrative when you can learn to do it. But you got to be an unbelievable trader because as much as you're winning more, if you make a bad trade, you will lose way more. Like Peter's using lot sizes of 50. I won't even use a 50 lot on demo. You know, like I don't even have the guts to use a 50 lot on demo. I'm serious. I'm using a 10 lot on demo, right? And I want to eventually get to a 50 lot, but that's $500 a pip. that is some, like if we can get to 50 lots on our team, do you understand like what we'll be doing, bro? Like 50 lots, like Peter's the one guy doing it, but imagine if our whole team's doing 50 lots, like it's like, we'll be buying countries, bro. Like 50 lots, like 10 pips, bro. We do 10 pips in 5 minutes, man. Like that's nothing for us. You with a 50 lot, you're making $500 a pip. 10 pips is $5,000. $5,000. I was doing the math in my head. Amanda's catching 400 pips pretty consistently. If she had a 50 lot and she caught 400 pips, That's $200,000 a day.
US.
So Amanda could be making $200,000 a day US using a 50 lot. Right now she's using a 1 lot. She's learning how to use a 2 lot. If she was using a 50 lot, doing what she's doing, she'd be making $200,000 a day. And I don't want to tell you guys what Peter's already doing, but it's like this is where we're at. And I've only been in this academy for 7 months, and we already have guys doing crazy things. So all I want is for our members to do more crazy things, and for our new guys to learn from Peter and Amanda and yourself and myself, and to evolve. Hopefully you guys that are learning, and the new guys that are joining, and the people at home that are thinking about joining, you guys, the goal hopefully is you guys can be better traders than Peter, better traders than Amanda, better traders than me. It's not about being, them being great traders and everyone else not. That's just because they've been around longer. Peter and Amanda have been around longer. Mary's been around longer. I've been around longer. Shelby's been around longer. Ross has been around longer. That's why the leadership is growing. We've been around longer. Now we have some of the newer guys that are coming in, and they're just coming in and they're just on fire from day one. Because the example that has been set, the standard that's been set is so high that new people are coming in and they're performing at such a high level from day one. Because we've just set such a high standard. And a lot of it comes down to just having really good trading strategies and being consistent. And one of the things that I love about this academy is that every day, like this morning, I woke up and I got a chance to hear from Alex Morton, $1 million a month, Chairman Elite. I got a chance to hear from Jason Brown, $750,000 a month. I got a chance to hear from Matt Rosen, $750,000 a month. So I'm waking up on a Saturday and I'm hearing from guys that are making millions of dollars, and they're working on a Saturday morning.
They don't have to do it.
But that's what I'm saying. They're grinding because they realize that, whoa, we're on top of something crazy right here. And if we just keep pushing, we're going to be doing something even more crazy. They're realizing it. I'm realizing it. So you got all these people building and pushing and building and pushing, and that's what creates so much momentum and why the company's grown from 100,000 members to 200,000 members in 6 months so far in 2020.
It's going to get only bigger.
And this man right here is only 3 people away from Platinum 600. 600 US a month residual. That's when the company for you starts to really become fun, because that's when you start to get paid to trade. To me, Platinum 600 is the beginning of this business. When I got to Platinum 600, that's when I started to really take it seriously. That's when I was like, okay, you know what? I got to a good level now. Now I got to really step up. That's when I was like, okay, I'm really going to step up now. I really got to be all in, because now I'm getting paid to trade. Before, I was just learning. I was a student. I was copy trading. But now I got a team. I got to help my team. I got to be a leader. I got to produce. I got to learn how to trade, and I got to teach my guys how to trade. And I got to teach my guys how to build a business. And that really started at Platinum 600. So you're like 3 people away. I know you're going to get there. Hopefully the next video we do, you're there. Since our last video, you've already added a bunch of people. So congratulations on all your success, man. I know you're going to get there, man. But just push just push harder than anything you've ever pushed for, and you'll get it. That's all I can tell you. It's weird. It's weird, but it's the law of attraction, man. Like, what you focus on expands, right?
I've been busy. I've been on a lot of Zoom calls with a lot of potential members. So I'm working hard, because I want my team to get bigger. I want to be part of this success that we're going to go to the top,
Well, I mean, there's only one place to go, bro. I mean, you see the momentum that's going in the group. It's crazy. It's crazy. It's you're either with us or you're going to wish you were. That's all I can say. You're going to with us or you're going to wish you were. I mean, there's not many people that can say that, you can come into our business and you're going to learn from millionaires. And we have multiple millionaires that we have in this academy that you're going to be able to learn from. Like Dr. K, like Kimberly Torres, and members within our own team as well that have enormous success. So we're in a good place. Congratulations on all your success, brother. Keep up the great work. If there's anything else you want to leave the audience with that's watching all over the world about trading or day trading from beginners, is there anything else you want to leave anyone with?
So all my potential Americans, come join my team. Tell you, dude, let's get to the top together. Or anybody in Canada or around the world, come to the team and join. Let's trade together and let's go to the top.
Yeah, and I was about to say that, man. He's not only looking for Americans; he doesn't care where you're from.
Yeah.
But this is Captain America right here, guys. This is Captain America. His goal, his mission is to help Americans right now that are at home looking for a way to make money from their phone. And he said it. He goes, if you're on Instagram, if you're on TikTok, I want to teach you how to get on your phone and make money from your phone. So you guys are just a phone call away. You're an email away. richtvlive@gmail.com. Drop your email, bro.
My email is M_ORE_LLANA 52 at Yahoo.
There you go.
I'll be waiting on your emails.
There you go. And the last time we did a video, some people joined. So, I mean, guys, honestly, we're on something big here, guys. We're on something huge. I guarantee you, when you started, did you think it was going to be like this?
When I started, I didn't think I was going to be here doing an interview on YouTube.
No, I know. But when you started this academy, did you think it would be anything like this?
No, it was. I never expected it to be the way that it is right now.
I know.
I just went in there as a new guy. Didn't know what was gonna happen.
It's.
But I went into the academy and I didn't know anything about the forex market. And look at me now. I know a lot, and I'm still learning every week. I remember the first month or the first 2 months I was texting you every Sunday, like bro, I'm learning so much. I know more now than I did last week. I kept texting you every week, and I kept telling you I learned so much, and every week I'm still learning. So much training going on, and from the mentors, from our team members, from you, it's something that everyone's going to be learning.
Yeah, it's a pretty exciting time. Join Mara's team, guys. He's doing incredible. He's only 3 away for his next promotion. We got promotions happening all over our squad. It's just crazy. 3 new platinum 150s in 3 days. Mario's throwing out a bonus. You could save $100 right now if you join today and tomorrow. And guys, if you're not winning, you're probably not watching. We also give our members access to all of our stock picks first. Guys, I've been giving so many crazy picks. The market is going nuts right now. Okay? So,
don't you have secret picks?
What?
Don't you have those secret picks?
Yeah, if you want the secret pick, email me, guys. Send me an email. I'll give you guys the secret pick. And yeah, we got secret picks every day. I mean, only the members get access to the picks first. So if you guys would like to get access to the picks first. And shout out to sports coming back. I'm wearing my Maple Leafs because I'm hearing that the Leafs will be playing in the playoffs again. So shout out to NBA, NHL, UFC, Major League Soccer, all the sports. Let's get back. Let's get the world back to normalcy, man, so that we can give people the opportunity to see all their friends and family and get everybody to join the team, right? We need the world to get back to normal so everybody can start to build their businesses and people can see how amazing of an opportunity we have, because I do believe that we have the #1 home-based business in the world. I truly believe that. I believe we have the #1 home-based business in the world, and it will be a billion-dollar company. It will be a unicorn. Mark my words. We got Bob Proctor from The Secret as one of our mentors. Honestly, don't know any other financial companies that have a mentor like that at our level. And I think that our company is just on another level. I'm very, very proud to be a part of this company. I think they have some incredible mentors, incredible leadership, and I'm excited about the future, man. I get paid in Bitcoin. I got over half of Bitcoin now. Thank you, IML Academy, for the over half of Bitcoin, for building the business. And I still have a lot to learn too. I still am mastering my game as a trader. So I still feel like I have a lot to learn. And I'm excited about learning. I'm excited about the fact that I can earn while I'm learning. I'm getting paid to trade while I'm developing my skills as a trader. And I can honestly say that I've become a much better trader in stocks since I joined the academy. And I've made a lot of money trading stocks since I joined the academy. And I still feel like I have a lot to learn when it comes to trading Forex. But I feel like I'm getting better every day. I haven't lost one trade for the guys live in 3 weeks. So that's really my goal, is when I'm trading live with the guys, to call good trades and to teach guys how to identify and analyze the charts to find good trades. So continue developing your guys, continue leading from the front. And if you're going to fall in life, make sure you guys fall forward. Okay, guys? This is Rich from Rich to Be Live with Super Mario, and we're out. Peace.